Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I will give you some idea that how you can create online voting application. So dear friends, if you are living in Europe or maybe in US, so in these countries, they have online voting system. For example, whenever they have election, so the citizens are not required to go to some place in order to give vote. They can give vote from anywhere by using their cell phone or maybe their laptop. So this application is called online voting application. And if you are a university level student, so your professor may assign you a final semester project, and in this project your professor may require you to create online voting application. It is a big application and you will be working with your classmate because it will be a group project. So dear friends, in this video, I will give you some idea that how you can start working on it. So let's jump to our Android Studio. In here, dear friends, I use from relative layout. Then I need to divide our application page into two parts, to left and right part. Because in here, just suppose suppose that two people elect their self for the election. There are two people, and as a citizen, you are required to give vote to one person. So how you will design it? In here, we just start working on it, okay? So for dividing the page, you need to use from linear layout. It will be wrap content, orientation will be vertical, and then I will also add some padding. Padding will be 10 dp. ID, I will assign ID for that. The ID will be left. So we are done. Then dear friends, just copy this one and come down, uh, paste it into this area. So in here friends, just change the ID name to the right. And one thing else friends, I want the second part to be located to the right side of this one, okay? So in here just write right of to right of left. So then it means that we divide our page into two parts, to the left and to the right part. So in here dear friends, I need for one text view. In the text view I will write 0. Okay, I will tell you what it means. Just wait for a minute. Then I will increase the size as well to 10 point. 10 point, yeah. Okay, padding will be 5 dp. Okay, text color will be black. Text color will be black. Text style. Okay, so text style is bold. I also need to assign ID. The ID will be TV1. So dear friends, in here I need for counter. For example, it is 0. I also need for one button. So when the user click on the button, for example, his or her vote will be counted. In here you will have 1, 2, 3 like this. In addition to that, I also need for one image. Suppose like there are two candidates, you have their images. So I have some images of cartoons. I just copy and paste it into my Android Studio. You guys know how to copy and paste the images. I told you in the previous videos as well. So you need to use from image view, SRC, which image? Okay, so let's get this one. Yep. Okay, so this is one image. yeah, just close it. Okay, so this is fine. Second, friends, I need for one button because the user need to click on the button in order to give vote to the person that they like. So in here I will add text to my button as well. Vote. You can write anything. Text size, I need to increase it to 10 point. Yeah, 10 point is enough. Okay, so background, I will change the background of my button to black. I will assign ID. The ID will be BTN1. So we are done up to this point. So friends, what you need to do, just copy this one, copy it, Control C, and come down. Just come down, paste it in here. So you can see there are two images, but still they are very close to each other. I just want to give some margin to them. So before giving the margin, what I need to do in here, I will change the IDs of this one. So it will be button to text to, yeah. Okay, so and also I need to change the image. I will use, yeah, from this image. So this image is a little bit big. I will decrease the size of this image to 100 dp. Oh no, sorry, not this one, to image. Yeah, this is the image. So 100 dp. Okay, height is also 100 dp. 100 dp. Yeah, you can see now it is fine. Okay, so friends, I need to give some margin. So in here I will write margin to the left. Yeah, to the left will be 20 point, not 20. I'll make it 30 point. Then you guys just need to copy this one, Control C, paste it in here, and also you need to paste it in here. So we are done up to this point. Then it means like we are done with front end coding. So right now, just you need to jump to your main Java activity in here. Okay, so let me to remove it. Okay, sorry for that, friends. Okay, so in here, friends, I need for one text view. I will name it TV1 and TV2. Then I need for one button. I will name it BTN1 and BTN2. Then I need for one integer. I will name it counter1 is equal to 0. So friends, what is counter? I will tell you in a minute, okay? But before that, let me to typecast the text view and button. So I have TV1 is equal to find view by ID or dot ID dot TV1. Then I have BTN1 is equal to find view by ID or dot ID dot BTN1. So you can see guys, it is error, but don't worry. Just jump to your XML file and from your keyboard, just press Ctrl S. So yeah, it is fixed. Then guys, just write btn1 dot set on click view on click listener. So in here, friends, write counter1 plus plus. What I mean by that, it means that whenever the user click and vote button, then his or her vote will be counted. In here, in a stated of 0, you will have 1. and when the second user click on the vote button, then you will have 2. It means that the counter will count the code of our user. So in here, friends, then you need to write tv1 dot set text integer dot toString counter 1. Why I do it? It means that when you click an vote button, it will count your vote and it will show it in here in text view, and instead of 0 you will have 1 or 2. Okay, so friends, I will run the program and we will check that are we okay or not. If we had any issue, so we will fix it. Okay, so this is our application, and when I click in this vote button, you can see it is written 1. When I click on it again, it is 2, 3, 4. So let's get work on this one as well. Okay, so dear friends, in here I also need to typecast tv2 and button2. tv2 is equal to find view by id or dot id dot tv2. Okay, then btn2 is equal to find view by id or dot id dot btn2. Yeah, okay, so btn2 dot set on click view listener, new view on click listener. So in here, friends, you need for another integer. Okay, you cannot use from this one because it is for the first one. In here I will name it counter2 is equal to 0. So in here do the same thing. Okay, you can also copy and paste it, but I just want to show it to you. tv2 dot set text, okay, integer dot toString counter2. Yeah, we are done. Let me to run the application. I hope everything will be fine. Yes, so this is the first person, like just suppose this is the first candidate and this is the second candidate. You are the user. For example, I want to give vote to this person, so just click on that. If someone else want to give vote to this person, he will click on that and it will become 2. So if someone want to give vote to this person, so he will click in this button. It means like one person gave him vote, then 2, 3, 4, 5. So friends, it is only the idea that I give you, but for creating the online voting application, this is not enough. First of all, you need to create a registration form, because if someone want to give vote, he or she need to register themselves for giving the vote. And also, every individual, every citizen must have one option to give vote. He or she can give vote only one time, not more than one time. So this is not the complete project. It is the only idea that I gave you. Okay, just practice on it, and that's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel. And that's all for today. Have a great time.